Hi guys, this is Shashank here. So we'll be discussing the post-market report of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll look at a few stocks as well which we can trade for tomorrow. So as I said in the last session, so Nifty was looking a little bearish for me even though it had signs of recovery in the last hour. So today we had a big gap down in Nifty and the trend continued in the downside itself. In the beginning of the day, we saw a little signs of recovery as well. But in the last 1 hour of today's session, we saw a sharp selling in Nifty. So how will we plan our trades for tomorrow? So let us come to that point. So we'll be planning our trades tomorrow. It is looking a little more bearish for tomorrow as well. So we'll be planning on bearish side trades itself. We'll only plan for bullish side trades above 17,250 levels. So if we get a green candle closing on a daily time frame above 17,250 levels, we'll be looking for bullish side trades. Until then, we'll stick to bearish side trades. So if we observe for trades for tomorrow, so we'll wait for the first 2 to 3 candles of 5-minute time frame. If it is showing bearishness to you, so you can take up short side trades, which is on the selling side. So this is how you will be planning your trades in Nifty, and the crucial support for Nifty is 17,780 levels for tomorrow. So if Nifty is breaking that, you can take up positional trades for selling side in Nifty. So until then, intraday still looks a little bearish to me as well. So we'll go on to Bank Nifty. We'll see how Bank Nifty is looking. So Bank Nifty is at previous day's low. So it did not have such a big fall as Nifty did in today's session. So Bank Nifty is looking little better than Nifty. So it is at previous day's low. So if we get a flat to negative opening tomorrow, we can plan bearish side trades on Bank Nifty as well. So we'll be looking at targets of around 37,500 levels, not on intraday levels, but in the coming few days as well. So we'll plan our bullish side trades only above 39,500 levels in Bank Nifty. Until then, the market is very decisive. So even the VIX is high. So we'll stick on to selling side, or we'll wait for our opportunities on the buying side as well. So next, when we come to stocks, my first pick for tomorrow will be JSW Steel on the daily time frame. So in JSW Steel, it is at support. The market had taken a support at previous higher low, which was at 642 levels. So if the market is breaking that or opening below that, we can plan on bearish side trades till 615 levels on JSW Steel. So those JSW Steel, we have a 20-point target with a 5-point stop loss, which is a 1:4 trade on JSW Steel. So we'll move on to the next stock, which is IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank is forming kind of a M pattern on a daily time frame, but for our trades, we'll plan our trade only after the market is breaking 1,140 levels. So we still have a 20-point room there. Only after it is breaking 1,140 levels, we'll plan a bearish side trade. So we'll plan our bearish side trades for a 20-point target with a 5-point stop loss in IndusInd. So we have 1:4 trades on both the stocks, which is JSW Steel and IndusInd. So at current situations with the global cues, market is still looking bearish. So we'll wait for our opportunity if you're looking on a bullish side. So until then, stick on bearish side trades. Thank you guys.